If you believe your thoughts, your choices, and your humanity still matter, then this channel is for you.
If this story made you think, even for a moment, don't ignore that feeling.
The world may be falling apart outside, but understanding this little machine, that's where the real thinking still happens.
Watch this video till the end, because the final message might change the way you think.
In a world where everything was controlled by AI, there was one man who chose to live differently. He turned it all off. People laughed at him because he chose struggle over comfort. He failed again and again. Nothing came easy anymore. But he didn't stop. And then something changed. He felt something real. A child noticed him, watching from a distance, and finally asked, "Why don't you use AI?" He smiled, "Because I want to feel life, not just live it." The child tried and failed, but this time he didn't quit. For the first time, he solved it on his own. Something changed in the system. Humans were thinking again. They told him to stop, but he refused. That one choice changed everything. In a world controlled by perfection, the greatest power is to think for yourself.
If you leave, take one small step. Like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to stay connected.